Welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode section. This is called a valid anagram. Okay, so very simple. Give it to string s and t, and then we just write a function to determine if t is an anagram of s. Okay, so basically, or you can say that t is just permutation of alphabet of s. T is just permutation of alphabet of s. Okay, so there's many ways. The first way is you can create a dictionary and collect different how many A's, how many B's, then collect it, and then you can use this to check for T. But then you need a space. But in this way, I can just sort it as. So when I sort it as, the sorting function will start from A and start B to C and keep. Basically, there will be a particular ordering for each number, for each string, and if two sorted is the same, then that means it is the anagram. Okay, so we can solve it by just one line. So it's not very fast because we use the sorted, so it's unlocked. And if you use a space, then you can go down to the linear time, and you can see basically the linear time is the optimal time solution. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next interesting video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.